Hey, this is Max, the Bearded Paint Guy, and recently you saw a video of me giving away a $50 or under paint job. And this is what we got. This is the 1987 Suzuki Samurai. As you can see, it needs a little bit of work. A little bit of black paint, a little bit of camo, and some red. And we're about to paint this thing up for under 50 bucks. Today is to paint this Samurai for under $50. I only had 42 though, so I think we can get it done, but I'm hungry, so we're gonna go get some hot and spices. Yes, I would like 2 hot and spices, please. 1 plain. That'll be it. Okay, so right now I'm walking over to the paint area at the hardware store where I'm going to get 2 quarts of the Desert Tan oil-based paint. Okay, so to keep it under budget, I'm going to grab some cheap tape. I'm going to grab some cheap thinner to reduce this paint with, and we'll go from there. Also, guns. Who doesn't love guns? Not gonna lie, I was pretty nervous, but we kept it under budget, under 40 bucks. Okay, so now it's time to go to the shop and get the materials unloaded to get the Samurai painted. This is our shop. We're here in Nashville, Arkansas, Nashville Collision Center. Okay, so you can see we did plastic sheeting to cover the inside. We were supposed to use paper, but I had some laying around the shop and it just made it a little bit easier. Now I'm going to do a red scuff pad on the paint, and this ensures the paint will stick. Now I'm using a red Scotch-Brite. You can get these at your local hardware stores or like an O'Reilly's, AutoZone. So what I'm doing, I'm scuffing the whole vehicle with this red scuff pad. You got to get every square inch sanded, that way all the paint sticks. The next step is to mix the paint. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour the paint in here and use about 10% reducer. It kind of just depends on how much material you want to spray, but I did 10% reducer. Okay, we're getting ready to spray the Samurai. I'm using a tack rag to get the dust off of it, and I'm using my SATA Jet 4000 to spray the paint. Alright, when spraying this, it was a little bit of trial and error because I've never sprayed oil-based before, but doing a light coat works best. Let that set up for just a minute, and then we'll follow it with a very heavy coat. We didn't do any body work to this truck, and here's the heavy coat. You can kind of see the dent in the door right there. spraying the hood. I'm doing this very heavy coat. my overlap on my spray pattern is 50%. I keep my coats very tight and uniform. I made my way back to the front of the vehicle where I'm doing some touch-ups and some spots that I kind of missed, and now we're hitting the bumper. This is our last coat of paint. Right now we've used about half a quart of this paint. I thought we were going to use 2, but it looks like we were going to get the job done with 1 quart. Okay, so there you have it. We painted the Samurai for under 50 bucks. I think we came in under 40 actually, and that's after buying 2 hot and spices. So we took the Rust-Oleum gloss sand oil base, we reduced it with the Sunnyside paint reducer. We got this at our local hardware store, R&J, and you can get the same stuff in your town at your local hardware store.